Zeh Naseeb, A1 Sadulganj Bikaner. This is one more landmark project from Kaava Air Innovations Private Limited. The Posh Bungalow of Mr. Ali Nirban, owners of MN Hospital, gave us a chance to do the central air cooling of their bungalow in 2016. As you can see, it is a widespread bungalow on around 1 acre of land, and the ground floor is around 2000 square feet of area. It consists of living area, drawing, dining, couple of bedrooms, kitchen. Is entirely being cooled by Kaava Tornado 20K 5th generation hypercooling plant. Their amazing experience has given us many more orders in Bikaner. Thank you.